We'll take it. All right, Jet, thank you. In Oklahoma, it is against the law if you suspect a child is being abused and you do not report it.
It's actually called universal reporting. Our Jordan Daphnis is live at OU Health with what experts are saying about when is the time to speak up. Jordan?
Yeah, the time to speak up is always whenever you see something. I spoke with specialist Ryan Brown, and he says one of the most common forms of child abuse that they're seeing right now is actually neglect. So he says if you want to help out a family, friend, neighbor, he says to offer your time and services to them. And if you need help, he says make sure that you ask.
Recognizing that you may have those stressors, reaching out for resources, either that through your local church, through a local resources that may be available, and just asking for help.
And the data is still coming in on the number of child abuse cases related to the pandemic, but most of the experts that I've spoken with say they are seeing an increase in cases, and that's why they need people to feel confident to speak up. Brown says there's a very fine line sometimes between child abuse and discipline. Basically, by definition, if you leave a mark that can qualify as child abuse, Oklahoma is one of 16 states that still allows corporal punishment.
Even with the pandemic, even though we had several months where we had low numbers, those numbers are now compensating, or they're bouncing back and recovering to where we're expected to see more kids this year than we did last year.
And Brown says that other forms of discipline that don't involve any physical discipline, those can actually be, or research shows they actually are more beneficial and they work better anyways. Live this morning, Jordan Daphnis, Oklahoma's Own News 9.